Hey everybody, I'm back again. I have my last set of solar panels here and I'm going to unbox them just to see how they look. Sorry you're not going to get me much on camera because this is a large box. But I just want to make sure they're in good shape, and eventually I'm going to have to build or do something to get a stand for them. Let's see if we can get these out of the box. They're not light, you know, they are glass. Take that out. They look pretty good. They're packaged pretty good. Let's see. They put the glass sides face to face. Don't want to drop it. All right, first one looks to be in excellent shape. I'll set that back here. And let me take a peek at this one. I'm going to put them back in the box until I'm done with them. But here are my Renogy solar panels. They're 100 watts. Keep an eye on Amazon. I picked this set up for $132. The first set was $134. So that is a great deal. Anyway, here we go. Now I have my solar complete. I have my little power station, and I have 4 100-watt panels. All I have to do is get them hooked up. Have a great day, everybody.